Hello and welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Dominic and this is Tech with Dom. Today we are doing an unboxing and first impression of a Google product. This product came out this month and was kind of shoved under the carpet because of its bigger brother and the iPhone 14, which came out last month. So let's pay a little respect to this device and see what the shout's all about. First up, we have a screen protector, which I like to keep my devices in one piece. If you don't use screen protectors, shout out to you, but you do you. Then we have a case, a liquid air case by Spigen, and a ultra hybrid case by Spigen. Then we have the product itself, which is the Google Pixel 7. This is the 128 gigabyte option in Obsidian or black. Before we open this device, let's run through some of the specs. You have a 6.3 inch AMOLED panel. This display has a peak brightness of 1000 nits and runs at 90 Hz. It has an IP68 water resistance with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and on the back. Along with an always-on display, this device packs quite the punch. Now you also have two storage options with the Pixel 7. You have 128 gigabytes and you have 256 gigabytes. This has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 50 megapixel wide. This phone records in 4K 30 or 60 frames per second. The selfie camera on this device is 10.8 megapixels. This phone has a built-in fingerprint sensor and Face ID. The battery on this phone is 44,355 milliamps. Not too shabby for a smaller end phone. More about the battery is it has 30-watt fast charging and a 50% charge in 30 minutes. This has wireless charging up to 20 watts and has reverse wireless charging options available. The Google Pixel 7 comes in 3 colors, including Obsidian, Lemongrass, and Snow. The starting price in the US is $599 for 128 gigabytes. Now let's unbox this Pixel. Starting with the back, you will see you have 2 pull tabs, kind of going Apple style here. On the back, you have a hashtag Team Pixel. We will pull both of these guys off, drop them to the side, flip this box over, and open it up. Now, this is actually my first Pixel phone, so kind of excited to see what this one's all about. I have had iPhones and Samsungs in the past, but never about Google. Set the phone off to the side, and in the box you have an adapter from USB-A to USB Type-C. You also have a USB-C to USB-C charger cord. Then you have the normal paperwork that comes with any device out there nowadays. Boring stuff we don't want to read. And inside of this one is a SIM injector tool. Slide the box out of the way. And let's get this phone powered on. Pretty shiny and fancy on the back. We have our flash there. We have, not sure why all phones have this little guy. There's some conspiracy theories going around saying that this is a secret camera that is watching you. Whether I believe that, I'm not sure. You have your ultra wide and your wide camera. Turn it around and you have a piece of paper showing you where all your controls are. You have your SIM card tray on the left-hand side, the power button and volume rockers on the right-hand side. On the bottom, it says USB-C for where you insert your charger. Then you have this little fingerprint icon for your built-in fingerprint sensor. Peeling this up reveals this 6.3-inch Samsung, 6.3-inch Google display. Pressing the power button, getting this one started, we will set off to the side and go for our cases. Like I said, here is the Ultra Hybrid by Spigen for the Google Pixel 7. Sliding out of the box, it's got an easy peel tab on the back, revealing the back of the screen of this case, and then one for the front. Already I can tell that this one is going to attract fingerprints. We also have the liquid air for the Pixel 7. I wanted one clear and one non-clear case, so I figured I would give both these a try. In this case, this has the shock-proof padding. Moving these over, let's go back to our Pixel. And it says, welcome to our Pixel. We will push get started, and we will connect it to a mobile network. We're going to skip that for now. Give me 1 second while I enter in my information. Okay, I have just finished setting up my Pixel 7, and right off the bat, this phone feels very sturdy, a little slippery, but very, very well built. I went ahead and put the screen protector on. Yes, there is a bubble up in the top left. A little irritating. And in the top right, I will have to deal with it. I also put one on the back camera. Right off the bat, this phone attracts 1 million fingerprints. So let's try on the cases. Give this a quick wipe down. And we'll try on the Ultra Hybrid. Yes, the Ultra Hybrid. We'll just snap it. Oh, geez. We're going to pause that for 1 second and go in here and get some of this dust that has gathered in the back of this case off. Don't know if that helped anything. But there is the Pixel 7 in the Ultra Hybrid case. It has a nice ridge around the top, making it so it does not touch the screen if slammed down on top of something. We'll pop the Pixel 7 out of this case and go over to the one I'm guessing I'm going to like more. The liquid air case. This one fits just like a glove, has a nice texture on the back. Making it non-slippery and has a ridge around it. This phone also does not slam on the table. Here you can see I have my always on display on, which is very nice when it comes to coming from an iPhone 13, which does not. I know the iPhone 14s Pro and Pro Max do, but I don't have one of those yet. My battery here is at 58% and it says it has 13 hours and 59 minutes left. 59 minutes left. So this was the unboxing and the first impression of the Google Pixel 7. Let me know your comments and thoughts about this flagship, lower-end flagship device that Google just released. Any other content you'd like me to make about it, I will be open to seeing. Like I said, I will have a camera showdown with the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 7. You may say it's not fair since the iPhone 13 Pro Max is a Pro Max, a highest end model, but it is 1 year old. Let's see if Google can do anything to be a 1 year old high-end iPhone. Next will come the 2-week use, where I will use this for 2 straight weeks. And that'll sum up our journey on the Google Pixel 7. Thank you. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And I will catch you next time. Goodbye.